What the Tech is sponsored by EPB Fiber Optics. Visit EPB.com to find the speed you need on Chattanooga's only network, delivering 25 gig speeds.
Football parties are a big thing now, and the holidays are just around the corner, so you may be looking for recipes to try for your family and friends.
Okay, our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker says he's found an app that can organize your favorite recipes.
If you search for cooking or recipe apps in the app stores, you'll find dozens. They all do pretty much the same thing. Find recipes that tell you how to make it. But the thing is, cooks might stumble upon a recipe somewhere else, and later when they try to find it, they can't. This app, Samsung Food, hits the spot. It allows you to save recipes you find online in just one place. I searched for recipes for nachos in Google Chrome on my computer and found this one. Rather than bookmarking it or printing it out, I just click on the Samsung Food icon near the address bar. And that one click saves the recipe, the ingredients, and the steps in the Samsung Food app. If I find a recipe while browsing a website on my phone, I tap Share and choose Samsung Food to add it to my recipe book. You can even save recipes and videos from TikTok. My recipes are now organized and searchable by meal, dietary restrictions, and occasions. If it sounds familiar, it is the former Whisk app that was purchased by Samsung and given a new name. It is a free app for iPhones, Android devices, iPads, and a web browser. I'm Jamie Tucker, and Samsung Food is the app of the day.